All right, so this new YouTube thumbnail trick is super interesting. I'm going to show you this. So this is something new that YouTube's come out with where you can test 3 different thumbnails and they'll decide, well, your viewers will decide which one they like most. And as you're building out your YouTube channel, you're going to see that what you care about isn't really what your customers care about. So you want to make it about them, what attracts them, makes them want to click and watch. Hey there, I'm Brad Smith, owner of AutomationLinks, and I've been doing this marketing stuff for the last 10 years. I'm going to share my screen and show you exactly how to set up your thumbnails, 3 different styles, and let your customers decide which ones they want to watch. And if you stick with me to the end, I'm going to show you my YouTube thumbnail designer so you can use him to help you create these thumbnails yourself. Now, it's not just about the crazy designs of your thumbnail, it's also the hook. And if you want the full YouTube hook that I use to generate these 3 different hooks to make people stop and watch, comment system down below. Somebody from my team will send it over to you. You ready? Let's dive in. All right, so here's a test that we ran where I've got 3 different thumbnails here, thumbnail 1, thumbnail 2, and thumbnail 3. And what we're gonna see is thumbnail 2 won 38% of the time. Thumbnail 1 was 31%, thumbnail 3 was just 30%. Now what I want you to do is go into your YouTube channel, and when you're going and uploading your video, scroll down to where you upload your thumbnail. And what you're going to do is you're going to choose the view and test, where you're going to be able to test these 3. So on this drop down, click on test and compare, and you're going to see where you can set up these 3 different tests. Now, depending on if you're going to use your own and create these on Canva, or you're going to hire my freelancer, it's up to you. But this is what I would do if I was using Canva. So in Canva, I have got these 3 images, pretty much the same image, and I'm just going to change my text right here. This is my hook. This is what people are going to stop and read as they're scrolling through YouTube. What would make you want to stop and read something? That's what you want to think about as well. So what I did was I came up with these 3 hooks that I think would catch someone's attention based on the transcription, and that's what I'm going to put in here, and then we're going to see which one makes people actually stop and watch. So if you end up grabbing my system here, you're going to be able to copy and paste this prompt. You're going to go over to ChatGPT and paste it in. Now, if you watch some of my other videos, I show you how to take the transcriptions and actually turn them into your description, your hooks, your how-tos, even your timestamps and chapters. And as ChatGPT is giving me this, it's going to give me these 3 different hooks that we can use. Ads don't work anymore, you're posting too much, this crushed my sales. Just choose which one resonates with you and potentially resonates with your customer. Okay, now that you got your 3 hooks, you're either going to put them in Canva, so make your own thumbnail, or you're going to send them over to my favorite freelancer so he can make them for you. What you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and start making these and adding them in. So what I'm going to do is copy and paste this, and I'm going to throw it in. Then I'm going to click on the second one, grab the second one, throw it in, grab the third one, throw it in. Now we're telling YouTube, all right, test my 3 thumbnails and let me know which one my visitors actually want to click on. And that's which one they'll start showing on a consistent basis as people are scrolling. Now remember, YouTube's trying to be more like Netflix. If you notice on Netflix, they change their thumbnails, those images, all the time. Now, if you want to steal my freelancer, he does a great job creating 3 of these. Just click on the link in the description below. I use this cool freelance software. I've been using it for like 6 years now, called Fiverr. You can get him to do this for 20-25 bucks per thumbnail. He'll create the 3 in there for you, and he'll hook you up. Just let him know Brad Smith sent you. So I don't know where you're at in your YouTube journey, but I want to encourage you to keep going, keep making these videos, keep trying to improve them, try using hooks, improve your descriptions, improve your titles, and that's what I really want to help you with. And if you want that full prompt that you can use for your YouTube videos, comment system down below. Somebody from my team will send that over. And if this video brought you any value, it'd be awesome if you subscribe. And if you want to learn more about this YouTube stuff, you can check out the video here. Next Saturday, I'll make another one showing you all my little tricks about growing on YouTube. You got this. And I'd love to see your YouTube channel. If you comment your YouTube channel comments down below, I'll go subscribe and check it out. Hope you have a great day. See you on the next video.